Behind me is a color wheel, and you will see that I've oriented it so that green is in the middle where it should be. And as you can see, you've got warm and you've got cool. So you know basically, and basic, the simple is all cool shades, all cool shades this side will all go together, including green and pink, because you just know how to find a cool shade of them. And all the warm colours, including the pink and the green, will all go together. All of that is simples. Simples, no brainers. But what if you're wearing something and you want it to pop? No, remember, blue, we're using blue. What is opposite blue? Orange. Put those together. Ow, ow, ow. Blue and orange are fighting. Ow. So you can wear them, but you need to put a peacemaker color in there, black or white. They will go, stop fighting. Stop it. You're both colors. Let's work together. Let's have some fun. Let's play nice. Problem solved. If you don't want to bring black or white into the game, get your opposite color, which is orange, mute it down. So when you mute down an orange, it goes all peachy, it will start to work a bit better. Or if you darken it down, it will start to become like a tan. It will work. This is why denim and tan looks crazy good together. What if you've got purple? Purple's opposite is yellow. Ow, ow, ow! Put them together. No, res down either the yellow or res down either the purple, and they will start to work a bit if you want to wear them without the black and whites to bridge them. So that is another thing. And also think of red and green. And it says the little thing is red and green should never be seen unless there's black or white between, which is true. And the reason for that is because you've got red and green cells in your eyes. And they hurt when you go to an eye test, you look at the red and green things because there's so many of them. But the colours in your eyes are red, green, and blue. They're like a TV. So, but that's another addendum. And that's sort of additional colour when it's colour light. But that's another video to do about how additions, adding and colour varying, addition and the subtractions. But that's different. So we're going to go back to picking your wardrobe. So we've done 2 colours. What if you want to go and be free? Go 3 colours. Look at what colours create other colours. So think of purple. Oh, I've got a beautiful purple coat, but I don't want to be head to toe purple. So what colours make purple? Oh, red. Red makes purple. Blue makes purple. Pop them together, you got purple. You can pop a bit of white in, and you put white in that, and you got lilac. Yeah, that will make purple. You put a bit of black in. Oh, that makes a really dark purple. You're golden. So that's another one. Green, blue, and yellow. Again, they work very well because you've gone with the opposite color, which is orange, and you've stepped away one shade, which is yellow. Blue and yellow work well. Pop some white in, yeah, colours of summer. But for now, we're going blue and yellow because we've stepped one away. Or you can have blue and green because you stepped one away from the orange. Stops the fighting immediately. You step one away, and the item will pop, and it looks great. Purple and orange, fantastic, really, really good. Try it; it's great. Purple and green, also brilliant. Colours of magic, purple and green. If you're a Terry Pratchett fan, that's what the colours of magic are. They're purple and green. But anyway, moving on. The additional theory is purple. It makes blue and green. And purple is made of red and blue. Green is made of blue and yellow. So pop green in the mix. It'll also work. Brown. Brown is a different kettle of fish because technically, if you mix every single color together, you should get black. You don't, because there's a missing element. When you do it with colors, you will never get black if you mix them all together because the additional thing doesn't work. You will get brown. I can't remember why. There's a scientific reason, but so this is why you can pop brown in the middle of anything and it will be a bridging color and it will work because You add red and green, red opposites together, you get brown. Add purple and yellow, mix them together, you'll get brown. You add blue and orange together, mix them together, you'll get brown. So brown is another bridging color.